In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar to your Wix website. This can be a fantastic way to keep your visitors informed about special offers, updates, or any pertinent information you want to highlight at the top of your page. It's straightforward, quick, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a sleek announcement bar up and running. To start, you'll want to head over to ElfSite, a terrific tool for adding widgets to your site without the need for coding skills. Once you're on the ElfSite platform, simply type in announcement bar into the search bar. This will bring up various options specifically designed for creating announcement bars. Next, go ahead and click on Announcement Bar from the list that appears. You'll be taken to a page where you can begin the process of creating your widget. Look for the button that says Create Widget for free and click on it. This will allow you to start customizing your announcement bar to suit your needs. There are ready-made templates available for you to use, which can save you a lot of time. Find a template you like and select Continue with this template. Once you've picked a template, look for the option that says Add to Website for free and click this too. Now it's time to publish your widget. Hit the Publish button and you'll be prompted to choose a plan. Be sure to select the free plan unless you're looking for more advanced features offered by the paid versions. After selecting your plan, you'll see a button that says Copy Code. Click on this to grab the HTML code needed to add your new widget to your Wix site. With the code copied, head over to your Wix website editor. In Wix, you'll want to find the Add Elements section. This is where you can incorporate various features and widgets onto your page. Once in this section, look for the Embed Code option. Click on it and then select Embed HTML from the list of options. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from ElfSite. Simply type or paste the code into the provided area. Once you've added the code, make sure to click on Update to save your changes. And that's it! You've just added a powerful announcement bar to your Wix website, giving you a flexible way to communicate with your audience directly. Whether it's promoting a sale, announcing new products, or just sharing news, your new announcement bar will help keep your visitors in the loop. Thanks for watching and happy creating!